So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from a little old favourite of ours that we went to about 2 years ago. This is the Serene Lake. Lots of condo blocks and they got a lake here, obviously, houses. It's just a massive place. And yeah, my friend has got a condo here and I thought I would come and look at it because I've always been interested in Serene Lake as well. There's actually another person here looking at it as well, so I'm not going to get in his way and I'm just going to hang back and wait till I can have a look after. So this is the number 8 building in Serene Lake, and this is the one where the condo is available. So we're going to have, it might be this one. Here's the sales lady, Parry, my friend Parry. So you got A and B, there's places everywhere here, man. Hey, it's nice in Serene Lake, isn't it? It's lovely. So you got like a communal bit in the middle where you could do your exercise and stuff. But yeah, such a big place. This is just one block. Yeah, there's the lake down there. So this is all communal here. Wow, yeah, I like Serene Lake. I remember I came here, didn't I? Just after COVID. It's all locked up. So the pool, hopefully Parry can let me down there in a bit. So that's your private pool for this condo down there. Then you got the lake right behind it as well. Right, so we're in the building. There's your private pool and stuff, look. You have the old key card to come in here. So this is the number 8 building. You got your elevators there. You got your what they're called, pigeonholes. Nobody uses, well, somebody does, I think. Not many people use these anymore. We've got them in my old building. Oh, so waiting for the guy a minute. Farang guy, so I'm not going to put him on camera, man. I'm going to let this guy have a look first. Let him have a look. So it's right at the end. Oh my god, it looks nice already. Lake view. This place looks nice. Wow, I like this one. Jeez, look at the there's your bedroom. Oh man. There's the lake view from your bedroom. I like this one. Whew. Peaceful. Got the mountain there behind, look. So whatever room he goes in, we'll go in the other one. This is, don't look like it's been lived in for a while. But I like that. Wait till you see the balcony in a minute. Yes, a little bit musky. Nobody's been in here for a little while, I don't think. But yeah, I like this place, mate. So this is your bedroom, look. With your corner view overlooking the lake. Yep. So when you come out on your balcony, look. Wow. You got your bottom floor as well. Hey, this is a bit of me, innit? This is a bit of me, mate. You're right next to the swimming pool though. That's a bit, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. People down there swimming, but you're close. So this is your bottom floor balcony, guys. Yeah, I really like it. You come out from, I'll show you the kitchen in a minute. Come out in the morning. Man. I'm a bit skeptical to ask the price of this place, you know. It's going to be quite expensive, I think. Coming out here to do me videos in the morning. And you got your washing machine here, so you ain't got to worry about all that. And again, for drying it, easy to dry here. Nice breeze. We'll just let this guy finish looking around and I'll show you the rest of it. So it's 2 bedroom. This is the This is the other bedroom, look, smaller. So if you walk straight across from the other building, you've got this one where it looks out over the swimming pool. Oh, this one's got an ensuite as well. This ain't gonna be cheap, is it? But if this was 8,000, I'm moving. But it ain't gonna be. So that's number 2 bedroom. And here, this is your small kitchen, which is plenty, right? You get the fridge, you got the sink area, the microwave, small oven, cooking hob, and this is your living space. Lovely. Always got to do the sofa test, right? Oh man, I could be sitting here like this. See what we do the bed test again. Didn't do the bed test, did we? Do the mattress test. Yeah, it's a hard one. I like this. 2 bedroom, no good for me, that was it. Proper dining table here as well. Proper dining table. It's all about that out there though, really, isn't it? It's all about that. How much is this room, Barry?
38,000.
Monthly. 38,000 a month. That's a little bit too expensive, I think. That's even with the lake view, that's, what's that? £700. I looked at a place here before, right, for 10,000, a studio. You haven't got this view, but around the corner a bit. But yeah, this, I would say they're gonna have to lower that a little bit here, don't you? Yeah, you got the old London, look. Reminds me of home. Got some storage down near the door. So this is the end room. So I don't think we're gonna have time to go all around Serene Lake anymore, but I will try and link the vlog we done here before below. They've got gyms, tennis courts. You can walk all around the lake in the night time. They've got houses, moo bands, everything here. As soon as you walk in the door, above the in the ceiling there, but it's just been boxed in, right? I think all the rooms do have one as well. Yeah, they all have one. So does all this come included? Everything? TV, fridge? Yeah. Yeah. 30 odd thousand. The old window could do with a bit of a clean. Okay, so we've got the owner lady here now. This way? Okay. Feel like a spare part here. Oh, I want to look at the pool, really. So yeah, there's the pool. This pool is for the both buildings, guys. So you got this one over here, look. And the one you would be in. There's your room down the end, bottom floor. So as the guy was saying, it's perfect for kids. That's why, I think he was French, the guy here that was looking. He was wanted it 'cause he's got kids back in France that are coming over, I do believe. So yeah, perfect for that, right? When I walked in, when you walk down through the hall here, I seen the lake in the background. I thought, nah, that's just it's a picture, right? That's not the actual view. And this, you got these places to sit in the evening if you want, with the umbrella. And yeah, it's a massive place, guys. This is just one building of, well, I wouldn't say 100, but there is a lot here. There's a lot. And you got the communal spot here, so you can just chill. You could sit out here before you went in. That's better than my bed, mate. Way out of I wouldn't be paying that No chance. Yeah, so down at the pool, it's all key card everything now. Please wipe your body before entering the building. No third parties. Do not throw stones, broken rubble. If there is damage to the pool, must be paid for. You get your parking space as well out the front. As we drive back around, I will show you some of Serene Lake outside. Thousands of people working here, keeping the edges tidy and stuff, as you can hear. So you've got these small bands as you go around, and they keep it really, really tidy here, look. And you've houses as well. And down here you have your gym, tennis courts, and all sorts down here. And that's extra. Well, and you could like do laps around here every night if you wanted. You wouldn't need a gym really. So you have the big gates here, look, that we've shown before. You always want to take the driver's license. So this is the way you come in. And if you take a left, you go to Big C May here. And if you go right, you go into May here Market and the Doi Kam Temple. This will go back down, and there's the Serene Lake, look.